Hello cousins! If you're gonna be having a smaller Thanksgiving gathering, I've got you covered with this delicious and super easy to make turkey breast recipe. Let's get right to it. I'm going to be using 2 pounds of turkey breast. This came packaged just like this, and this was a 2-pound breast that served 3 to 4 people. I'm going to be washing my turkey breast with vinegar and lime, lots of cold water, and once I do that, I'm going to pat it dry with paper towels. For the seasoning, I'm going to be combining 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of adobo or all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to be giving this a really good mix, and this paste is going to be our seasoning. Using an extra long sharp knife, I'm going to be poking holes all through the sides of my turkey breast. You're going to flip it over and poke holes all through the sides because when you cut into it, once it's done, it looks beautiful. And I'm going to be roasting this in an oven bag. I'm going to be using the Reynolds kitchen oven bags where I also make my turkey in a pernil. I'm going to open up my bag and I'm going to place my turkey breast right in there because I'm going to season right in the bag. Make sure you're poking seasoning all into the holes that were cut into the turkey breast and all over the turkey breast. Then using clean hands, I'm going to tie the bag all the way at the top to allow extra space. I'm going to let this marinate for 2 to 3 hours before it gets to roasting. Then I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees, and right before it goes in the oven, I'm going to poke 3 very small holes right along the top to allow air to escape. This is going to go into the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. At that point, when we take our breast out of the oven, we're going to cut our turkey breast out of the bag, remove it from the bag, and then we're going to put this right back into the oven now at 450 degrees for 15 minutes to dry it out and give it some extra color. At the end of that time, look at our beautiful turkey breast. You have enough juices in the bottom to make a gravy. When you slice into it, you're going to see this beautiful marbling of sazon. Look how beautiful your turkey breast looks. And I paired this with a side of roasted diced sweet potatoes and asparagus. All I did was toss those in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and I baked them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And we have ourselves a very merry Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, cousin, and if you're having a smaller gathering, I hope this recipe helped. Happy Thanksgiving!